We'll guide you through how to delete a YouTube channel on a phone. So to get started, come out of the YouTube app and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Safari, but you could use Chrome. Tap on the address bar and you need to go and type in studio.youtube.com. I've got it suggested at the top here, go and tap on it. Now, when you first come here, you may need to go and get something about opening up the YouTube Studio app, but you need to go and press continue to Studio. You may need to go and request a desktop site as well, which you can do by pressing request desktop site from the URL bar settings. Now, what you want to do is go to the top right, pinch with your fingers to go and zoom in, and then slide across. Press your profile icon and press switch account. Select the channel you wish to delete. Then pinch down to the bottom and you want to go and press the gear or cog icon. Zoom back out and press channel to the left, and then press advanced settings and scroll down. You want to find the option remove YouTube content. You can see here we're about to go and hide or delete, so we want to permanently delete it. You need to read this through and make sure you understand what's going to be deleted. And then what you can do is press delete my content if you're sure, type in your channel name. When you're ready, you can press delete my content and that's it.